Good morning, fam. Imagine this. It's raining softly. Well, actually, more than softly. But each drop is tapping the ground, creating a rhythm that matches your breath. We're not just stretching, we're connecting with nature, letting the rain wash away any tension in our bodies. Today, we're waking up the spine and core, finding strength in the gentle flow of movement. Let's feel the rain, feel the stretch, and awaken together. Let's hit the mat. Come on to all fours. The ground beneath your hands and knees soak from the rain. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back, creating a long, straight line. Inhale as you reach out, feeling the rain on your fingertips. Exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together underneath your body. Continue this flow for 1 minute. The rain adds a new element, a refreshing energy as your core engages, your back strengthens. The rain might be cool, but your body is warm and steady. Every movement in sync with nature's rhythm. Switch sides. Extend your left arm forward and your right leg back, creating the same long line. Inhale as you stretch out, reaching through the rain. Exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together. The cool drops on your skin remind you of the balance between strength and fluidity. For 1 minute, let the rain guide your breath. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, strengthen. You're finding balance in every movement as your core, back, and hips awaken with the flow of nature around you. Fam, now lower yourself to the ground, feeling the coolness of the earth beneath you. Press through your hands and rise into Cobra stretch, lifting your chest as the rain kisses your skin. Inhale as you open your heart to the sky. Exhale as you soften into the stretch. Hold here for 1 minute, breathing deeply. The rain trickles down your arms, your spine lengthens, and your chest expands. The stretch opens up the front of your body, while the rain refreshes your spirit. Let the movement be as fluid as the rain itself, soft yet powerful. Sink into child's pose. Knees wide, big toes touching. Stretch your arms out in front of you and let your forehead rest on the ground. Feel the cool raindrops lightly touching your skin, grounding you into the earth beneath. Inhale deeply, and with each exhale, feel the tension in your lower back release, just like the rain washing away the dust of the day. Hold for 1 minute, letting your hips sink back as you breathe deeply. Let the rain cool your skin and the stretch bring release to your spine. This is where the awakening begins, gentle, steady, and grounded. Come up to all fours, your hands pressing into the wet ground, feeling the energy of the earth beneath you. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the sky for cow pose. The rain drips down your back, cool and refreshing. Exhale as you round your spine for cat pose, tucking your chin and curling inward like a wave. Let's go. Flow from cat-cow for 1 minute, letting the rhythm of the rain sync with the rhythm of your breath. Each movement is a release. Inhale, open, exhale, let go. The rain washes over you as your spine awakens, bringing energy and fluidity. Beautiful work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've connected with the rain, stretched your spine, and activated your core. Let this be a reminder. No matter the weather, we can find strength, flexibility, and peace in our movement. Keep this energy flowing. Check out another stretching video, try a home workout to build strength, or wind down with a calming meditation. Keep moving, stay grounded, and I'll see you in the next video. Fam, let's do this.